Okay.
Three of them out of say, six, three you can reprocess. Ask that girl and Anita, give the data fix to her, let her process, and after raising the data fix, you remove it from our end. Okay, as a PDM table. Then only it will reprocess. Otherwise, it will throw some error.
Okay, by the time they reprocess it, these POs should not be in our table, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is one thing you need to remove these three. And another thing, two TIFFs are there. So we do not access TIFF. Please let us know what we can do, or we can remove it. You can ask her and do it. Okay. There is only one PDF file which is having null. Okay.
Mm.
That you can ask Anita. So three first raise her request, let her do it and reprocess. You will be left with three records.
Mm.
For these three, we will then ask her. We do not accept if. So it has been sent as TIFF. Can you please send us a PDF or something you can mention? Okay. If they agree, fine. Otherwise, we will remove. That's what we mentioned. And one PDF file is there, but the file is null, empty. So please upload it in the source table and reprocess. If she says we cannot upload or something, we'll remove.
Okay.
Otherwise, daily in the tickets, you will get the same tickets. There is nothing new or something we are doing, but the same thing it will come. Except this is also an this one, right? Feedback mostly. Okay, this is okay. This has been you have raised the data fix has been
Yes,
raised.
yes.
Don't just raise and keep quiet. That's the problem.
No,
See, yesterday you raised, right?
Yes, yesterday
Okay.
actually I was working with Broadsheet 1. The TC team have provided the PDF files and Broadsheets. In Broadsheets, the entire value is 2, but the files they provided is only 1. So I was chasing with them. Like PDF files was sent by Suraksha and the attribute sheets were provided by someone else. So he has provided the entire value wrongly. So at 8 o'clock like that she was sent.
See, you inform them. By the time they send, you start checking this one because you cannot do anything till they send, right? You
Mm.
can only ping her,
Yes,
but they will take some time.
in that meanwhile only I've raised all these data fixes.
Data fixes you approve, get it approved. Okay.
Yeah, I will do it now and I will send it to Soa.
Because at our end, if you are, it should be fast. Sova end is some other team. I'm not sure we can what we can do. Okay. But if we delay our end, it will delay everything. And these data fixes are quite normal, right? So when you raise
Actually, this
everything,
user has provided two Excel files, not these POs. You can check in attach.
okay, I need your help or something they have mentioned. What this guy is saying, the list of 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 below are in upload status, but they are all uploaded in, okay, the two systems, two Excel files in approval status. They are two different, huh?
Mm.
Okay, that is fine. Okay. See, the problem is this guy is provided with, see, lot of POs are there, right? All are duplicate. It means same PO but different line numbers.
Mm.
So what we can do is we can ask this guy to provide the PO numbers. I'm not sure for this POs, list of POs, how many are there? How many
522.
lines are there? So if you look at this PO number, sorry, I'm checking here. Let me take the view. So many are there, right? PO line number 2, 3, 4, 5. Three, 24, everything is there. So you can just mention this PO number for all lines, whichever it is coming, you can provide that. See, you can ask them to provide separately. I think that will be easier for you to raise a data fix or put it in query or something.
Actually, I have taken these POs and after 2 I took it as a line. She has said like that only PO number, line and release date, something like that.
Yes. Okay, that is one thing. See, for SOA team, how you're raising this request? If you, for each PO, they will raise a feedback.
No, actually, as you said, like we are putting all these POs and taking the least date and providing them.
No, that is fine. See, if you give 5 POs and the one date you will give, least one, right? So how they are triggering, I'm not sure. For each PO, they will trigger with the same date 5 times.
Might be because if we give 5 POs and lines and check-in date 1, they'll take for all POs that only only one check-in date for all POs.
Checking date is fine. Date is only one. Okay. So if you give this list of these
For
POs,
these
what
many,
I'm saying,
how can we give, like we can give one list date, or I need to check for in any
no,
way?
One date is fine anyway. What I'm saying is you give 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all 4 different POs you give, suppose, to them. Okay, these 4 POs, and the control date is 26th August. Okay, AUG 2025. This is the date you give to them. To SOA team. Now you check with them how they are doing. So they take this date and process this PO first. They take this date and again process this, later this, and something like this. I think they are doing like this. Check with them. If you ping, they will know. So in that case, right, in case of a list of values, right, long list of values. So anyway, we have, what you can do is you can just, you can just take the counts. I'm thinking whether if you just go by PO, if an issue will be there. Okay, because if this is bulk, right, without checking any line numbers, just for PO number, it will be easy for us. Okay. For example, the user is saying for this PO 37, the feedback is not provided. Maybe 36 is fine, but if we try to provide for 36 also, an issue is there. I'm not sure. We can check with Anita, na? So that, right, so huge list is coming. What we can do, if it is only PO, if you look 500 rows are there, but if you only filter by POs, it will hardly be 500, right?
Yes.
So if you remove the duplicates and something, hardly 50 or 100, and that will become easy. So if you try to remove these things, how many are there? I'm not sure line operations are there. See, sure, I haven't removed. Try to remove this line operation. It's fine. So you get 173, 171 lines, right? So it is better for 171 than for this one. So we need to check with the SOVA team and Anita also. So how we can proceed on this? How their SOVA team is doing, we need to check so that it will be easy. Otherwise, right, what you are doing, that process you need to do. For that, right, you can do little bit of automation. You can put it in Excel and prepare the query automatically, but for all POs and lines.
Exactly. I'm doing the same.
Yeah, but that one you need to put it in some Excel so that no, you create one Excel with a template. Okay, use every time that same Excel
Yes,
sheet.
yes. I'm doing in similar way.
Then you should not exceed if 500 lines are there. Suppose for this, if you keep it separately, 1, 2, 3, split and separate, and the query is here. If you just drag and drop, it will automatically give you the SQL query.
Mm.
Right? You need not even look into that. You just based on this, you
For
make the
that,
update
actually,
query.
I need to segregate these POs and also lines and need to put it in the Excel. And
So,
for updating that the NSS status flag and all these things, we need to use one query, and used to check this check-in date, we'll use another query like that.
no, for this one, you are updating only INT status, right? No NSI flag is there, right?
INT status.
And INT process date or something, you will update.
Hmm.
So why it is taking time? I'm not sure. Okay. See, you put it here. What is this one? The release. Release also they gave, I think. See, what you can do is you can ask the user in case you want to separate, right, these things. Okay, hey, please give me in separately, like PO number, line number, shipment number, separate columns.
Mm.
Okay, that you ask so that next time the Leonardo, Katia, these are regular users. If you tell once, right, from next time also it will be easy for us to process something like that you mentioned. So we need to keep this, we need to separate these things and keep it separately. Right, I'm not sure if I go to this one, replace it with comma. Now you replace it with comma. Yeah, just to replace, I'm trying to see if we can do somewhat easy. Test ESV, okay. Okay, now we have the cell label, right? See, you got it, right? Simple. Remove these things. No need of this release number and just process based on that. Should be fine. Okay. What is the difficulty now? Next difficulty you have.
Need to remove the duplicates.
There won't be any duplicates, right?
There are.
How you
Can
see
you
anything
see
sample?
508, 509? Both are same. The below one.
So that you can remove, okay. So validation. Remove duplicates. Okay, 451 it came. So then what is the next one? See, you have the tools, you need to know how to use it. That's the only thing. Don't see on this data bulk. Don't say 40 small, 400 big. 40, 400, everything will be same if you know the tool how to use. If we do not know, then only the problem will come. By looking at Excel, right, we see, oh, so many records. No, it's not so many. Leave about so many. If you know how to play with this, easy it will be. So what about this one now? You go here somewhere. So, okay. You see it has been sorted out. Okay. Now, if I say, not sure if this will work. I'm just seeing, trying to see. Let me check if it is correct or not. This is our sheet, right? No, this is incorrect, right? Only two columns we're getting. So it is not just removing, it is stretching up, right? So if I say this one duplicate, do you know anywhere? What is this one, data validation? If I say this one duplicate,
You're removing duplicates only from that column.
expand the selection, continue. If I say continue, it is not giving option, yeah, continue. No, See, if what I'm trying to do is you have this one. These two are duplicates for this. Okay, only PO number I'm seeing, not the line numbers.
Okay.
So if you can remove those things right together, we have already grouped all these things. If somehow we can just make right one record only for this.
How you will like PO number is different, right? We need to apply the data fix on lines also, line number.
That is fine. PO number is same. PO number equal to say this one line number. You watch this one. So we need to little bit investigate on how to use this Excel for our thing. So what you will need is here this is say one record you will have. For this one you have, for all these three you should have only one record. You are getting my point? Because
Okay.
sorry, these two same PO, right? One PO number, line is comma comma line number.
Okay.
Shipment number. So out of 170 or 400 now rows, right? You remove drastically these things. And that you will use it for your data fix. So that's what I'm saying. When you have the data load or ticket less, count less, right? I suggest you try to work on these things because this will help you when the ticket load is more.
Yes, I have
There will be
I have worked, and also I have prepared that query using concat. It is helping me little.
You need to remove it more, refine it more. You should, if 500 rows the user gives, so it's waste. You write the query on 500. Okay, that will work at some point. But for you to raise the data fix and so on, this will be easy. Or otherwise, at least this one you can use. See, one refinement from 500 and for something, you 50 rows or something you have removed. It hardly took till this time 5 minutes with you can get this. If you have query here, you just drag it, it will automatically create the data fix, right? Just use that one. So that should be fine. And for date, finding the date, right? Just use this column. Okay. Where is this one data? Duplicate values. How many we got now? See, 171 are there, right? So what is the problem now to get the date? You can use Excel. It's up to you, like how you feel comfortable.
I just went to Excel only. I just took the column which user provided with the combination of PO, line and shipment. There I'll use a deeliminator and I've separated the PO, line and release.
You separated it, okay. What I'm saying is it should not take more time for you. Okay, even the user is giving 500 documents or something. So you need now a date, right? OEDM dot ISUP EDM, say history, where you PO number is fine, any PO number. By seeing right parenthesis somewhere. Extracted. Okay. Checking date you're saying or the right. Checking date, suppose. Checking date is not there. Table of view does not exist. Why it seems? Invoice up to EDM history. See, you got this date, right? Just make it as 11th May. That's it. So you need to put everything immediately in the Excel sheet and try to split it up and do it. So that way, right, based on this PO number, you can guess. Even if you can just take PO number. That is easy instead of putting line and everything, right?
Yes.
Because we ultimately want the lowest date, so you will get easily the lowest date. So if you put everything for 5 POs, 6 POs, it is fine. 50 POs or 100 POs, it will take time.
Hmm.
So if you use only PO number, it will be easy. You need to find that such base. So this one, it's been done from your end, or you need to?
I
Okay,
have
you
done the
have done.
data fixes. I need to apply the data fix and need to provide to SOA for reprocess.
See, when you have completed this, inform Manjesh, okay?
Yes, I am
Immediately,
doing.
so that you will get approval. Because if he is not there, it is again problem. Okay. This is
And
one thing.
also that approved mails we are not receiving for data fixes. I have informed
No,
him.
don't wait. No, when you ping Manjesh, he says
Ah.
approved. You execute, right? That's what I told a number of times. Why
Yes.
you are waiting for their mail? You want to slowly proceed, you have to wait mail, and after 10 days it will say nothing is there and you will do something. You need to concentrate on our issues, right? Then
Yes.
you need to push on that